Hey everyone, welcome back to Hassies World. In today's video, I'll be doing an unboxing and review of the DJI Mavic Air 2. Alright everyone, here's the unboxing of the DJI Mavic Air 2. This drone costs $800, so let's see what's in the box. The aircraft, a remote controller, 3 RC cables, 1 flight battery, a power adapter, a AC power cable, 3 pairs of propellers, 2 pairs of control sticks, a USB cable, and 2 manuals. If you guys are really interested in the Mavic Air 2, I suggest that you buy the Mavic Air 2 Fly More combo. It comes with everything in the Mavic Air 2 and more. With 3 flight batteries, you get up to an hour and 42 minutes of flight time. With 4 extra pairs of propellers, it's so easy to switch them out with your damaged ones. It comes with the ND filter set, 1 battery charging hub, and a battery to power bank adapter. To store your drone, it also comes with 1 shoulder bag. Noticed that the Mavic Air 2 has a bigger gimbal than some of DJI's other drones. With 48 megapixels for photos and 4K/60 frames per second for videos, you can get the best moments out of your flight. The DJI Mavic Air 2 remote controller lasts an impressive 4 hours. That could never compete with our 1 flight battery that only lasts 34 minutes. Yikes. To put your propellers on your drone, here's what you need to do. Open up your propeller, and then there will be a little slot where you can see like gold cylinders in there. And that's going to be the spot where you're going to put in the propeller. Then push it down and twist the opposite way so it will go underneath the little slits. So when you push down, slide, and then when you try and pull it up, it should not come out. And be careful with this because it's really, really sharp and it can hurt you. So be really, really careful. And if you're a child, use adult supervision. And even if you're an adult, be really careful with this. You can get some really nice photos and videos with 5 quick-shot modes and 4 hyperlapse modes. You can get the best time out of your droning, or you can choose to fly freely. Later in this video, I'll be showing all of you guys all the 5 quick-shot modes and all the 4 hyperlapse modes, so keep watching. If you're a kid, you should lay off those juice boxes. If you're an adult, you should lay off those adult beverages before flying your drone. Make sure to always fly responsibly to keep you and others safe. Hi guys, real quick. I just wanted to say thank you for getting me to 100 subscribers. This is so exciting. I remembered hoping I could get at least 10 subscribers. Now we're at 100 and counting. Please continue to tell your family and friends to subscribe to Hassies World. Since school will be starting soon, I will be posting more on my Instagram page. The link to my Instagram is in the description box down below. I will see you guys all next time. Goodbye and peace.